No, 1989 siya pinanganak. Anyway,
builder, Morado, combination play.
strike, floor defense alert. The Guzman sets up the left. The Jake is perfect.
Belen finding the hole in the defense. Once again, against a triple block.
Here comes the set. And it is
4-point lead reestablished by Alas Pilipinas. And again, you have Belen. Also was here last year in the Philippines where the Challenge Cup was played at the Rizal Memorial Coliseum.
And that's all. Lachenko denied. Lachenko resets. Taps it over. Big pass. Belen scores!
At that side. Oh yes.
One more time around the block. We score!
The experience is the best teacher. International competitions. Born July 3, 2006. A reply to the 2-point run by the Kazakhs. A 3-point surge. And Belen.
Sorry, another one of those 6-footers of Kazakhstan. Bang! Bang, bang, bang! It's been the NU 1-2 punch.
And the misdirection.
Kazakhstan wants to keep their immaculate record. They are leading the tournament 4-0.
And stay away from Vietnam. Philippines.
She's on fire.
For the match against New Zealand, right?
Yes.
9-6. Kazakhstan had the lead. 10-3 surge by the Philippines to build this sizable edge. Ilang beses na tayong tinalo ni Anarkolova ng Kazakhstan dati. 21 win in set number 1. During set 2, it was tied in the first 15 points. Namang pa ang Kazakhstan. 9 set points.
Dance competition competitors natin. Oh, look at this! And the Philippines with a 2-set-0 lead in an all-important game to try to make it to the semis of this.
A reply to the 2-point run by the Kazakhs. A 3-point surge. And Belen has been at the forefront of this finishing kick.
Blocked, but one more time around the block. Solomon!